Welcome to the YouTube channel Message of the Chart. In today's video, we are going to discuss the business profile, financials, and the chart of one company. The heading given is, do you have intelligence, time, and cash? If you coin the first letters of these three, you get the name of the company ITC. Before going into other details, let us have a look at what the company is all about. I will skip the financial part here because we will be going through this later. As far as the business is concerned, 13 businesses of tomorrow, 4 million farmers benefited by e-Chaupan, 6 million sustainable livelihoods, 200 plus manufacturing units, number 1 in paper and paper boards, 100 plus hotels across 70 locations, 25 FMCG mother brands, 36,500 ITC group direct employees, 16 years carbon positive, 19 years water positive, 14 years solid waste recycling positive, 41% of total energy is renewable, 33 platinum rated green buildings. This information may not be coming to the mind of the investors or general common public when we talk about ITC. All they may get the immediate memory is about the cigarette business. Yes, they are not wrong in one way, because this is the statistics taken from this site. Gross revenue of ITC Limited in the financial year 2020 by segment, cigarettes is undoubtedly leading the pack, followed by FMCG, agribusiness, paperboards, and lastly the hotel. And this information is for 2020. In the cigarette business they are already in. All others are started to develop later. So if you see FMCG, they are growing fast, and agri-business also they are making very good impact. And it is reported that the recent developments are happening by the agricultural sector. In the agricultural sector, whatever developments are happening is more beneficial for this company, because the company will be able to get better footage in the agricultural business due to the present changes in the rules. Also, they will be able to impact the livelihoods of many poor people in the agricultural sector. So it is a win-win situation for the company as well as the country. And this paper boards and the hotel business, if you see this 2020 period, the hotel business is definitely, they are in the developing stage. They have invested hugely and they are developing. 2021 also the pandemic related issues continued, and so it may take a while before this hotel business started contributing more impressively in the balance sheet. It is quite understandable, because once the pandemic related issues are solved and it is over, definitely people will go for lot of tours, and when the tours and the packages, everything is improved as a whole in the economy, definitely the hotel will get the good business in the days to come. We will have a quick look at the business of ITC. One sector is FMCG. It is having very good presence in the FMCG sector as of now, and hotels is the another business they are in. Agri-business, paper boards and specialty papers, information technology and packaging. These are all the main category of businesses they are in. If you think about the various brands delighting 150 million households, the brands, this is, you may be familiar with many of these brands: Ashirwad, Sunfeast, Bingo, Kitchens of India, Yippee Noodles, Be Natural, Minto, Candyman. some of things are I am not familiar, but the children may be very familiar with some of the brands. Sunfeast, MasterChef, Farmland, Sunrise. If you go through each and everything, here view all is available, but it will take a lot of time. So just I am scrolling through this. Fiamma, Vival, Engage. So these are the various brands they are in. Now we will go to and have a quick look at the financials. Return on capital employed 28.6, return on equity 21, very healthy. Debt to equity is 0 for a manufacturing company. If this is 0, it is a very good thing for the investors to consider them. Dividend yield is 4.65. This is a very healthy dividend yield. If you see in the business of cigarettes, they are the market leader. Undoubtedly the market leader, the market capitalization says it all. And if you see the sales, quarterly sales figure compared to other companies in the same business, definitely ITC is the market leader. Let us go to profit and loss directly. Sales from March 2010 to March 2021, if you just have a quick look, 19,000 crore, 22,000, 26,000 crores, everything, 31, 35, 38, 39, 42, 43, 48, 49. There is a light stagnation here. Definitely it is understandable. But the positive thing is TTM, that is trailing 12 months, it is more than the last year's. So it has started picking up the sales, we can say. So operating profit also, if you see 6,000 crores, 7, 9, 11, 13, 14, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19. Here is a drop, understandable due to the pandemic. Again, it has started picking up as denoted by the TTM figure. And we have OPM is always healthy. It is 35%, which is not very low or anything, because from 33% in 2010, it has gone up to 37%, 38 also, 39 in 2020. After that, due to pandemic, it has came down to 35. So it is all likely, we can in the all likelihood we can expect it to pick up again very easily. It has not come down heavily also. Profit before tax, it is also steadily increasing. Only drop is in the 2021 year ending. It is understandable due to the pandemic. Trailing is better than, trailing 12 months is better than the 2021 March year ending. Means they have started turning it back. Net profit is also displays the same. Resource is steadily increasing. There is no drop. From 14,000 crores in 2010, it is 64,000 crores in March 2020. In 2021, it has dropped a little, and we expect it to pick up soon again. Borrowings is almost negligible compared to their resource and the share capital, and there is capital work in progress still of 4,000 crores. The moment this 4,000 crores is commissioned, executed, and it will start contributing to the revenue. So still some work in progress is there, which means they are expanding still. Cash flow operating is positive. Cash from financing activity is negative. Other things are positive. This is understandable because work in progress is still there, so they may be spending more in financial. So again, shareholding pattern, it is 11.74 from FIIs, 42.4 by DIIs, and 45.86 by public. Even inside this public, if you see, there will be some entities which will be having fixed investment for a long duration, which they may not dispose of. If you reduce this, the actual available with the public is around 15 or something, 24, 4, 25, 29. If you say this is approximately 30, around 15 to 16% only available with the general public. So the financials as a whole is giving us a positive signal, and we may consider this for investing. Now to take the final decision, we have to refer to the chart. We will go to the chart. This is the weekly chart. This rectangle I have drawn long before, and this was in my radar, and I was waiting for this stock to move out of this rectangle, and it has happened this week. This is a weekly chart. In this week, a good green candle with a good volume happened, which pierced through the rectangle within which it was bounded for a very good duration. And some of you may have the doubt why I have not considered these peaks. See, the idea of this is weekly close is above this in this rectangle, but there is no follow up. Immediately it has dropped back. So I have considered it as a there is no much significance for this. Similarly here also it has pierced out, but immediately it came back, means there is no much significance to this also, but there was good volumes on those occasions. Now also good volume. Now will it come back? Maybe. We can't say anything about the market, but what we are trying to achieve here is we will tentatively try to identify the support and resistance zones, and let us see in what way we can get any help. But one thing I can say is, in all the previous earlier two occasions with a good green candle with a high volume, immediately thereafter the next week there was some good correction. So now also we may expect some correction in the next week. It is good. If there is correction, it is good. If the correction is stopped just above this level of this top of the rectangle, around 220, you can say 220, 218 levels, if it is stopped and again if it bounces back, that will be very good opportunity for us to enter the stock. So first we will just have a marking of the notable support and resistances. I can say this is one support zone, but this is far away. And one thing I can consider immediately is this bottom of this rectangle. So this level may be taken as a, so it works out to be around 200. 200 is a psychological figure also. So 200 we can safely take as a support. So what we can do is, those who are entering in the next week or the following week may keep 200 as their stop loss for their positional trades. If it closes decisively below 200, we may exit, because the next support is around 166, 170 levels, where we can always re-enter, which will make our cost price lower. This is one point. Second, coming to the resistances, the immediate resistance zone, I will mark only the zone, because I will not go for a single price here. So we may this zone we can consider. So this zone, if you see, around 230 to 35 levels maybe, yeah, 235 to 240. It's not a decisive range, it is a tentative range. This may be one of the resistance zone, because earlier this acted as a support, then it spent reasonable time in that zone, then it cracked down, again it retested, rejected, now it is again retested. We don't know whether it will be rejected or it will pass through. We have to wait. It has not yet pierced this zone, so we will wait. There is no urgency. That is why in the initial slide I mentioned one should have time and cash. Time means patience. So we may have to wait and plan our trade to exploit this stock movement. So next visible zone is approximately this. You can say this zone. If you want, I will just there also make a So this is the next zone. See, earlier it has acted as a support, spent some reasonable time there, acted a decisive support, again retested and the support was given in this zone, then it pierced through, retested, could not pierce and rejected. So this is also a very, the more the time is spent in this area, it becomes a more stiff resistance or support. So once it is piercing through this 230 levels, 235, 240 levels, it is expected to go to the 260 to 265 levels somewhere here in this zone. Then it may try to spend some time here. See, the time spent within this zone is as much as, if you see the period is shown here. You can just note down, this is a weekly chart from almost August 2019 up to June 2020. It has spent within this zone. Like that, here also it may spend some time. Here you see how much time it has spent in this zone. Like that, it may pause some time here, and then once it is breaking out from this zone also, the next will be giving very good reward to us around 305 levels. And if you continue the argument and go to the all-time high, already I have marked the all-time high. This is the all-time high, you see. 367 is the all-time high. So here we are having this possibility of riding up to this all-time high, and at that time we can consider other factors and decide to continue or partial book profit or whatever is there. So what one can do with this kind of stock? If I want to trade in ITC, what I will do? First thing is, I have made some study based on the weekly chart. Now I will switch to daily chart. Once I am switching to daily chart, if you see, already it has started coming down. The latest day, that is the 17th September, it is a red candle. So let it continue, let it continue. The more it comes down, it is more good for me. What I will be looking for is somewhere near here. See, when I am coming to the lower time frame, I may add a few more lines. See, this is the zone from where it got rejected zone. Even though I am just drawing a single line, you have to consider the zone. So this is the zone where it got rejected earlier. This is first rejection, second rejection, third time it has pierced through. Now it may take the support, nothing is guaranteed in the stock market. It may take the support in this zone. If it take the support in this zone and revert back, or already we have marked one rectangle. The top of the rectangle, if you consider, the top of the rectangle is somewhere 2019 or whatever it is. In this zone, it may get support and turn back. So what we have to do is, let this continue its downfall, let the people book profits, or whoever held it for a long duration patiently, let the book profits, let them send, let the big players do the shakeout. Now, as long as we are planning our trades with intelligence, time and cash, ITC will definitely offer us a good opportunity. I repeat, we have to wait for the correction here to continue. Let it continue. Let us wait for the reversion after the correction. The support level may be around 219 or 215, whatever it is. Let it revert. If it reverses, we will wait for a green candle with closing above the previous day's high. Then we can enter here. Our entry may be anywhere within this range, because the moment it is reversing, taking the support and reversing, you may find a comparatively bigger sized candle. Let it be, let it be. So at that time, if you are having time to spend with the terminal, the moment the price moves above the previous day's high, you can switch to hourly candle and take the trading decision, and a partial entry may be done immediately. At the end of the day, you can add more, or the next day you can add more. That way your cost may be less. There are innumerous ways to keep the cost of our entry lower. So now we can switch to lower time frame to decide the perfect entry. Once the support is established, you can enter here around 220, at least if we are entering around 220 level also, the first resistance is in 235 to 240 zone. Then if it passes through that, we have to switch back to our weekly to know the next levels. You can see around 260 levels, then it is 305 levels, then it is 367 all-time high. The moment it is piercing through the all-time high, it is bound to make a new all-time high. See, throughout this period when our overall markets were outperforming, this stock has underperformed. But if you check the financials and the business model, it is definitely encouraging. So one can add this in your watch list and wait for the correction to complete, and the moment it is bouncing back, we can enter. If this also is a false attempt like the previous attempts, see here one long green candle, failure, here another long green candle, failure. So this may be a failure also, but the point is the immediate earlier high volume green candle has pierced only up to this level, but this green candle has gone much above this level. So we may expect it to take a support in any of these two marked areas, and it may go. If it is coming down, we will simply wait. Suppose it is coming down after my entry, I will dispose it with a loss when it decisively closes below 200 and wait for it to take the support at the next level wherever it is, and from that level when it starts reversing, I will make my entry. If it is just shaking out and entering again when it moves decisively above this line, I will enter again. In that process, I may lose a few rupees, but my time will be saved. See, it is a trade-off between our amount, capital and the time. So we have to trade off between these two. So when it goes below this, I will sell. When it comes above this, I will buy. That way, during that gap, I am having my capital available for taking any other trades. That way we can plan the trade. Hope those who are having intelligence, time and cash may be able to, cash or capital you can say, you may be able to get a very good decent return in that days to come in this counter. Hope this video is of some help to you. We will meet again with similar very useful videos in the days to come. Till then, bye.